What? We'll figure out what's wrong with the K-swap. You want to go take the K-series? Last time you saw this car, it would have had an aftermarket wideband. Yesterday, I swapped that out for a OEM one for an EP3 Type R. It started to do some weird stuff, hesitating under half throttle, stuttering, misfiring, but it was okay at full throttle. We'll look at changing some settings in the K-Pro on data. So it's definitely still doing it. It just did it in first already. Police just drove by, that's good timing. No, that throttle response is garbage. Police car pulled over, he's probably waiting for me. That cop is still waiting down there. Okay, I've just disabled open loop. So let's see how the throttle feels now. No, still driving like shit at part throttle. That cop's just turned around. I think he's definitely like waiting for me. Didn't really do much changing those settings. Let's try another tune. Go new calibration. Might have had the wrong calibration loaded. Okay, upload that. So just to recap, I put on a tune that had the wrong CC injectors for a 160 horsepower engine and not the K24A2 that I have now. I think we're good now. Throttle response is good. We got no check engine lights. Still vibrates like crazy because of the eBay knockoff mounts. Should never have bought those. Looks like it was just the wrong base mount. It's a bit stupid of me. Spanky is quite terrified of this car. As you can see, it's a bit too loud for him. Well, seeing how it's summer, let's open the sunroof. Oh, hell yeah! Just a little bit. Well, at least that was a simple fix and just the wrong map. We just made it to 1,000 subscribers. I'm absolutely blown away. Now I can make $3 a month on ads, which is sick. So in the meantime, if you want to continue to support, we got these sick stickers on the website. There's also a donate button if you want to throw some cash at me for whatever, beers, brakes, brake parts, brake cleaner that I can huff, whatever. Link to the website will be below. Let's keep this ball rolling. We'll get to 10,000 by the end of the year. I think we can make it happen. I just had a small break from filming and working on cars. We're about to get stuck into it. We got a turbo CRV, which I'm going to compare to this K-swap, which I'm really looking forward to doing. In the meantime, enjoy this little clip of my New Year's with my wife and our friends. I'm still recovering from it, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Fucking Happy New Year, eh? Cheers.
She's calling me like the rainbow. She's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow.
pressing the tree card.
Press on the tree card.
It's calling me. Like the rainbow. It's calling me. Like the rainbow. The eyes are wide open. It's calling me. Like the rainbow. Like the rainbow. It's calling me. Like the rainbow. The rainbow.
I've got a hat. The hat means nothing. Hat, no hat.